Hi, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making something super cozy. Tomato, potato, minced pork rice bowl. Let's get started. First, I've got one potato here. Give it a good wash, peel it, and slice it thick like this. Then cut it into strips. And finally, into little cubes. Then drop them into some water to soak. Now grab a tomato, let's peel it, and just like the potato, cut it into small chunks. For aromatics, we will need some chopped spring onions. Next, let's prep some minced pork belly. Just use as much as you like. Alright, let's get cooking. Heat up some oil in the wok. And in go our well-drained potato cubes. Don't stir them just yet. Let them sit for a bit so they lose the raw, starchy taste and get a light golden color. Once they are nicely golden, scoop them out. Leave a bit of oil in the wok and toss in the pork. Let it sizzle until the fat starts rendering out. Tomato goes in. Stir it all together until the tomato breaks down into a saucy base. Add our spring onion. Stir fry to release all that fragrance. Add a tablespoon of soy sauce. Let it sizzle and release that amazing aroma. Bring back the potatoes. Toss everything together. Add a bit of water, just enough to barely cover everything. Then add half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 of MSG, and 1 of sugar. Cover it up and let it simmer on low for about 5 to 8 minutes. Let's take a look. Smells amazing. Spoon it generously over hot rice. A little sprinkle of spring onions on the top for that fresh finish. Look at that! Rich, deeply flavored, and totally satisfying. Let me have a bite. So good. This isn't just for rice, it's amazing for noodles too. Alright, your turn. Go try this at home. You're gonna love it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.